So guys, first method, to open any browser and type to Google search box Microsoft C++ download. Click to first link, scroll down, or try to 64-bit. Okay, this is ready for downloading. Wait few seconds, it will complete, then just click to setup, then I agree, then install, then yes. Now this is installing. Then close. Then guys, next method. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.